Hi, so assume you have an Arca Swiss, the 15 millimeters tube. So you want maybe get this nice SmallRig V-mount accessory. So you can mount this. You can do the V-mount of your battery here. And then if you get the right accessory, you can mount here in the back with the Arca Swiss mounting, so you can start shooting. They sell a lot different models. Make sure you are ordering the right one for your application. This is how it works. Now here you can put the V-mount battery. Let me show you one. So for instance, this one is a V-mount battery with the V male, and this one has the female. So just slide it there, lock it here, and you're all set to mount in your tripod, maybe if you have one of those long rails or whatever. This is the quick release, the lock unlock as well. So it's a good accessory for your photo needs.